Hello everybody, this is ceri. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so, as I was saying, this is ceri 1, 10 ceri 1, 2, 3. And back again with Sounds of Our Love. Sounds of Our Love, well, 13 left off. Oh! Oh, crap. But never mind, it doesn't matter. Let's continue. Oh, she's smiling at me again. Well, crap. Well, I can't help it. She's a really interesting person. And nice one, too. Sorry, where's your mother? Is she still at work?
I don't want to talk about her. Come on, let's go in for dinner.
I'll probably not have asked yet. That's a bad idea for me to ask, but I'm not for sure.
We like to keep touch with our heritage. Outside, we try our best to adapt, though.
I can understand connecting with your heritage is an important thing. The only reason why I go to our school is to do just that. My mother made me.
Your heritage? You're only half Japanese, aren't you?
I'm half English, though I never actually been there. Born and raised in Japan. Okay.
Interesting. Your English is pretty good.
I wish you didn't interested. Thanks. Well. Okay, it's a I hear her giggle, but that was the cutest giggle ever I've ever seen.
You know, I enjoy spending time with you. I didn't have anyone to speak to like this before. This week has been fun. Thank you.
It's a pleasure. I've enjoyed it. And usual, hope you two is ending. Hope we get to the good endings. But I hope we get to the good ending on this one. Sorry about you wondering how the Welsh family came to Japan then. Okay, I'm just writing it. I hear getting the work permit is pretty hard. So getting a permanent residence must have been quite a feat. Excuse me, let me just take this. Am I going to join you? No, to hear more of this nonsense. Do we carry him anyway?
Please, forget about what you heard tonight. I didn't want to get you involved in all this.
Harry, I didn't want to see you like this. Please leave everything I can do for you.
Please, just stop.
Oh, but there's a bad idea to spin this one!
It's complicated. I didn't mean to get angry. It's just her.
So you're pointing to... Okay.
Really?
Okay, I know I read that. I forgot to read it. But... Okay, that's right.
Okay. I'll tell you. You're an important friend to me too. Follow me.
To the upstairs? Oh, I swore I hope we're heading to upstairs. I'm about to say we're heading upstairs, and yep, we're heading upstairs.
This way.
Okay, follow you. Oh! Jeez, but wait a second. I mean, that's very good.
Thank you.
For what?
For offering to help. It really made me happy.
Isn't that what friends should do?
Friends. That's right. You're important to me. When we first met, I was nervous. It wasn't even that long ago.
I hope this iPad to pick up the audio of this. This is whether I can get this thing to listen.
Do you know why? Why I held myself back?
No, but sure you can see you're improved. You can talk to me fairly easily now.
It's still there. On the inside. The lack of self-confidence. Even with strangers.
I need that situation.
People who don't even know me. Always get that impression. It never used to be like this. Though I was always a quiet person. In the past, I never really had a good social life. There was this one girl who never really liked me.
Oh!
Thinking about it now still makes me feel sick and angry. It was 2 years ago. The year after, I was pulled out of school by my father. He knew something was wrong, so I spent some more time.
Oh. I'm actually loving the game, to be honest, people. DS Andrew, oh, you're great.
I told you I was ill, didn't I?
So was that okay?
It was. After it all, I felt nervous. I couldn't socialize. I feared a reaction.
Yeah.
If I would do that again, I wouldn't know what to do. And I came back and met you.
She was gone.
That girl had gone, so I went back. But I was still scarred with loneliness. Everyone knew me from before and stayed away. But you were there, and you gave me an opportunity. That's why I want to thank you for becoming my friend. You mean a lot to me.
Okay, I'm gonna lose my arm. Okay. Thank you, I'm glad I proved it for you. You're a important friend to me too, I told you before, didn't I? Okay, yeah, I mean, I did.
Thanks. So, I guess you got to see my bedroom.
Oh, yeah. I guess I did.
I want to see yours.
Oh.
Though it's probably a bit messy.
Oh my god. This girl here has humor. This one has humor. Straight humor. Oh, like I say, we should take. Okay, you should take a pride in tidiness. Okay, she goes and say that. Okay. If you didn't have a bookshop, I dread to see what your room would look like.
I take pride in my books. Thank you. Though, you're right. I like to look after them, but reading them comes first.
Ah, she's right. It's 2 o'clock. Is it? It's only 2 o'clock.
Oh, ignore the alarm. It's broken.
Ah.
It's getting late, isn't it?
Yeah, I should probably head back soon. I can't even imagine what my sister might get up to. Sheesh.
I'm sorry about earlier.
It's okay, Carrie. You don't have to be to apologize. So, shall we head downstairs then?
Yes, let's.
I want to see our character will look like, but we never know. I'm not gonna be able to read. Thank you for tonight, Carrie.
I should be thanking you. I'm glad you came. Despite...
Don't worry about that, Carrie. It's alright. There, I said it. Okay. I don't know why I'm addicting to this game, but it's been a couple weeks. So this will be part 3.
I'll see you on Monday.
I agree. See you then.
Bye.
Oh, hang on. There we go. A little better. Okay, I am this, you guys should read. If you guys mind, I might read the character part, if you know what I mean. What? I don't know, Jam. Is the clock so broken? Alright. Well, I'm up then. Yeah, okay, it's be that point again. And I was like, geez, Carrie. So, this begins with this episode. This will be episode 4. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys later.